Well, good morning, everybody. Unfortunately, I think it's going to be a beautiful day. It's overcast right now. It's slightly snowing, but I think it's going to be a beautiful day. And unfortunately, we are leaving. Even though I don't want to. Make sure I didn't leave anything. I never do. I always check. But we have to go into town. Surprising last night, it started out to try to get really cold. I was talking to my friend, and I think it was down to 18, and that was like 7:30 in the evening. And I didn't stay out late last night because obviously, I had to get up this morning and go to work. But it got down to, I think, like 15 or 14. Next thing I knew, it was back up to 20. Warm back, it kind of dipped and came back up. It can be like that in the woods. Sometimes it's warmer, sometimes it's colder. But it's a lovely, like 22 degrees right now. We're heading to work, and we will be staying in town tonight, definitely, and probably tomorrow night as well. But for right now, we're gonna head to work. It's my birthday. I'll cry if I want to. Cry if I want to. I don't want to go to work. I shouldn't have to. Oh well. And honestly, I don't know why I've made such a deal about my birthday this year. I don't know. Maybe it's my way of getting through the doldrums. Because normally I don't even really, say it, talk about it. I did realize I was leaving Arizona on my birthday last year because I had Cracker Barrel for dinner on my birthday. And it wasn't any good. I tried something new. But alright, it's time to head to town. We will talk to you guys after work. Wow, what is all that? Something happened there. I don't know. Somebody's been using the other spot there that I keep thinking about. So that's trailer tracks going in there. Alright, it's time for me to head to work. Getting off the forest road. So we will talk to you guys on the flip side. And we'll see what we do after work today. I don't know. Do we cook something? We'll try to figure it out. So, see you guys later on. Alright guys, we got issues. That switch is messed up in my ignition again. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. I opened the door was dinging. I got in the back. The door was still dinging because I had the front door open. Got back in the front. As soon as I sat down, the door stopped dinging. That means the switch is not hooked. Nothing. Gotta get that door dinging sound back. In other words, I'm not going anywhere. Alright. I don't know. We gotta go get my light. Where's that little... There's the cable to it. There it is. This isn't good, guys. Oh man, just trying to go fill the diesel. I haven't filled the diesel tank. I got the Rotopacks, but all right, guys. Well, I don't know what I'm gonna do here. I'm gonna. Oops, sorry about that. Keep working on it. Hopefully I'm not stuck here. What a day, huh? Alright, I'll be back. I'll tell you what happens. Well, guys, the van is dead in the water. I can't get the ignition to start. I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm going to have to Google or whatever ignition shops. And first thing in the morning, start giving them a call. Guess I'll be sleeping in a parking lot tonight. Kind of sucks. Glad it happened here, not in the woods. That's the only saving grace in this. So, I think I'm going to cook some ramen and get on the internet and try to find an ignition shop. I don't want to use any more battery than I have to in case this thing's dead in the water for a few days. So right now, Jellybean is up a creek. That really sucks. So I'm gonna get on the internet. Maybe I'll YouTube. You know, see if there's a fix or something. Give it a try. But I see two issues. Like I said, it stopped dinging when I had the door open because I was like, oh, I'll go here real quick, unlock this door, and then by the time I got back, it stopped dinging. So that, I think, is the little switch that is in the top of the shifter. Because that's, when I bumped that before, that's what got it to start. But also, there's a little electrode in the actual ignition switch that has popped off or come out or something. The glue that was holding it where it is off. I can hold that there, but I can't get it to start dinging. So I know that's in the top. So, I don't know. I'm going to see what I can do, and I don't know. This is a real stuffy situation. Okay, I don't know when I'll talk to you guys, but probably in the morning, because I'm just frustrated as heck right now, and I got to get on the internet. We'll talk to you guys in the morning. Thanks for watching, commenting, liking, sharing, subscribing. I appreciate it. Hope you guys have a great morning, evening, afternoon, wherever you are. Happy birthday to me. See you tomorrow.